Hey, what is up, guys? Justin Beast 360 here on a 30k V's pack opening. So, I learned this method from my friend. You're supposed to remove everybody from your team. It higher your chance of getting a gold legend. So, I already have a few gold legends, but I want to get somebody very good. If I can get like a key Malajuan, that'd be great. Let's see what we can get. Hold down, let me just move all these. Alright, so I just won my seed, so my friend also told me that that increases your chance. So you're supposed to do purple, gold, gold, purple. So here we go. Okay, I have no idea who that is, but alright. Okay, let's see what we can get. Already had this jersey. Alright, let's get something good out of this. Okay, gold. Here we go. Ah. Oh, Sacramento. I don't think I had that jersey yet, but I would like to get a player. Okay. Hopefully, I would be so happy if I got a gold legend. Oh my god, Akeem would be great. Anybody. Even if I don't know who they are and they're a gold legend, I would be happy. Alright, anybody? Oh! Oh, he's silver. Looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, let's see what we can do. Now 2 golds. In the next year's edition of this game, you should be able to play your friends in this when you play like when you play for your seed. Cause I hate how you can never verse your friends. It's like so random, and sometimes I want to verse my friends, my team, and it would just be so much better. All right, so far we're getting nobody. Hopefully we can get something. Okay, 2 gold. Okay, now purple. Come on. Oh, Pekovic. I had him before, but he wasn't doing too well for me, so I sold him. Maybe we can do better this time. Alright, Pacers. Okay, hopefully I can get somebody. Okay, I just did purple, so now 2 golds. Okay. Oh, he'd already had Popovich. Uh, oh, and I'm not sure which point guard to start. I can get like any point guard, like that's playing now. So in the comment section below, just tell me which point guard you think I should get, and whoever gets the most votes, I'll do that. All right, Oracle. All right, White Hot. Pretty cool. Hopefully you get somebody. So far we're doing bad, but maybe we can do a little bit better. Oh, sorry for the shaking. All right. See if we can do better. Usually they say when you win your seat. Oh, I don't know what that is, but might be good. Oh, that's a nice jersey. That's okay. I'm getting like silver players. They're probably very good, but um I want to get somebody like a gold. That would be like perfect. Okay, now 2 gold packs. Okay. Ugh. Monty Williams, Knicks, my favorite team, but he's a bronze. Let's see if we can get someone better. Hopefully. Come on. Maybe after this I'll sell some things and then I'll open a little bit more than 20,000, sorry, BC. 30,000 actually. I'm not sure. I'm just, so far we're getting nobody. Gotta get something. Oh, and if any of you guys have any good methods, just write in the comment section below. I'd like to know other methods, because methods I'm using, as you can see, they're not really working that well. Oh, calves. I don't think I had that. Alright. Yeah, I didn't have calves. Alright. Yeah, I'll give you guys like a bonus. I'll do some more packs. Some more VC later. Oh, that is nice. That is a really nice jersey. I don't think I had that. That is nice. Oh, I already had it? Uh-huh. Alright. It's not going well at all. Ugh, my friend isn't telling me the right things. So if you guys could just tell me, that would be great. Getting nobody. I got Pekovic. I can't complain. I think he's good. But hopefully, let's see. Could this be it? Come on. Oh, okay. That's just my phone. Oh! Oh, I think. Whoa! That guy's a beast. Oh my god. That's just my phone. Sorry. Oh, I don't have enough. Oh, can open one of these. Oh, sorry. Oh, nobody. Well, I'm not sure who I got actually. Oh yeah, nobody. Alright, wait, let me. If I can't sell anything, guys, sorry, I won't be able to do another pack. Maybe I'll get enough for one more pack. Because before the game, I sold J.R. Smith because I already had Hershey Hawkins. He's a gold legend, so. Alright, this is going to take forever. Hold on, let me just sell a player. Search. Oh, for some reason, it doesn't let me sell these guys. It's so annoying. They're not even playing. It's the playoffs. But, Elton Brand, I can't sell. Can't sell Beal. Oh, Jared Lucas, he's very good. Yeah, Hershey Hawkins. World Be Free. He reminds me of Meta World Peace. Oh, here we go. Pekovic, let's see stats. Oh, 91 medium. Oh, that's pretty good. Alright, yeah, I'll keep him. Oh, let's see. Sean. This guy. I don't really see what's his strong spot. Oh, he's a good passer. He's okay at stealing. I don't really see. I don't know, I'll just find out in some games. Later I'll do some gameplay. A different video. Monty Williams. Selling. I had him before. He didn't work that productively. This guy, just selling. Oh, I think I'm using him. And it doesn't let me sell Austin Rivers when it's Clay, so I'm not sure if I'm using him. I'm just kidding. Because I don't have that much. Oh, is he a power forward? Okay, yeah, I'll sell him. Alright, this is the last pack. Because I sold him because I already had him. Okay, I'm gonna make sure my lineup. Okay. Alright, guys. The last pack. If I can get a gold legend, I would be the happiest man on earth. Here we go. Ugh. Nothing. Nothing. Dang it. Alright, this wasn't the best pack opening. So, in my next video, I'm gonna probably do another pack opening, and then after that, I'll show you some gameplay with all my good players. Peace.